This 17-piece ratchet accessory set from Klutch includes universal joints, wobble extensions, and socket adapters for 3 sizes of ratchets. The 1/4-inch drive accessories include a universal joint, 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch wobble extensions, and a 1/4-inch female by 3/8-inch male adapter. The 3/8-inch drive accessories include a universal joint, 3-inch, 6-inch, and 10-inch wobble extensions, a 3/8-inch female by 1/2-inch male adapter, and a 3/8-inch female by 1/4-inch male. The 1/2-inch drive accessories include a universal joint, 3-inch, 5-inch, and 10-inch wobble extensions, a 1/2-inch female by 3/8-inch male adapter, and a 1/2-inch female by 3/4-inch male adapter. The drop-forged, hardened chrome vanadium steel construction gives you total strength and durability with a nickel chrome finish for corrosion resistance. Get everything you need with this 17-piece ratchet accessory set from Klutch.